Hi, and congratulations on finding and downloading the revolutionary vocal map. This isn't just a map, it's forever changing the way that you learn how to sing, and I'm gonna show you today how to get the best results. Learning how to use the vocal map is easy, fun, and has helped thousands of students all around the world learn how to tap into their full singing potential. It without a doubt will improve your singing voice, the way you sing, and even think about singing just by watching this video today. Today I'm going to show you how to use this map the correct way to unlock the natural language of communication between your body, your voice, and your brain. So you can discover your natural and unique sound, access your highest and lowest notes, and even learn how to lock notes into pitch. Knowing how to use the map correctly will also help you enhance your vocal clarity and emotional expression. But the best part is that it makes singing about 100 times easier by adding the one ingredient that practicing singing has always been missing. This ingredient, vocal tapping, creates sensory feedback loops between your voice and your body, your voice and your brain, and your body and your brain. These sensory feedback loops are created in real time, and forging these lines of communication produces noticeable and measurable vocal results. So are you ready to take the guesswork out of singing? I'm going to show you how to do all of this in just 3 easy steps. Each red dot that you see on the vocal map is called a pitch point. These pitch points are specific places located within your body's energetic flow, used by singers as vocal superhighways. The voice naturally flows on these superhighways and can stop on pitch points, which are also specific acupressure points and sensitive to human touch. These pitch points are about the size of a pinhead. Please extend your right hand index finger to locate pitch point B3. Now, using moderate pressure and the tip of your finger, tap on the bridge of the nose until you detect the most sensitive zone within the dime, which is your body's location for the singing pitch C4 and at the top of the bridge of the nose. Now tap straight down the center of the nose until it gets most sensitive again. Now you found B3 at the bottom of the bridge of the nose. Now, to know for sure that you've detected the correct spot, move your finger up and down to guarantee the location. Here's one pitch point at the top of the bridge of the nose, and here's the one B3 at the bottom of the bridge of the nose, which is the one I'm looking for, which is also most sensitive. Now, if you're unable to detect the sensitivity of the pitch points on your face, no worries. You simply need to develop your introspective singing awareness. To do this, please pause this video and follow the instructions on the screen. Step 2 will be directing your voice to pitch point B3. We'll be doing this by activating a specific vocal superhighway. This superhighway moves the same way as a jet stream in the air or a current in the ocean. And once you get your voice there, it will flow easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Your voice will be traveling along vocal superhighway number 5, where the voice flows naturally for this particular pitch. In a moment, I'll have you repeat an ascending hum. Before humming, let's look at how your voice will be traveling to make sure that it moves in the correct direction. Ascending sounds look and sound like this in notated music, on the vocal map, and for an extra tool for real-time visual feedback, consider using a pitch app like this one, which shows if my voice is ascending and when I reach B3. Now I'm going to show you how to activate Vocal Superhighway 5, which will need briefly both index fingers to activate. Please place your left index finger on your left collarbone and gently pull the skin down while your right index finger gently pulls up the left side of the larynx towards the top of the neck. While keeping your lips closed, open your jaw as big as you can, imagining there's a big egg in the back of your mouth. Now you'll activate Vocal Superhighway 5 with an ascending hum. Now, depending on your natural skill, you may find it easy to stop at B3. If you're flat, you may find that your voice has a hard time reaching it, at which point you may need to practice opening vocal pathway 5 to get your voice flowing higher, like this. find your voice going past B3, meaning you're sharp and you don't want to go as high. Just go slower like this. Step 3, we're gonna lock in pitch point B3 with vocal tapping. Now that you've reached B3, we're gonna create sensory feedback loops through vocal tapping so that your brain, your body, and your voice know how to get to B3 permanently. Use your right hand index finger to tap at this tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now tap at this tempo on pitch point B3 while humming B3. And you'll notice the sound gets louder as you're drawing the sound to the place where it's permanently locking in. It's pitch point. Push down on that pitch point while we're humming it. What you're doing is balancing your airflow and your pitch as your body and your brain lock it in. With these vocal tapping sensory feedback loops, you've successfully completed vocal tapping for B3. Repeating this practice will help you develop perfect pitch. You'll also be able to project your voice, add emotions into your sound, and hit high and low notes with ease. And congratulations, because now you know how the vocal map works, how to get your voice flowing into a pitch point. And you even accessed a vocal superhighway and started to create sensory feedback loops for your permanent progress. I'm sure you're curious about how all of the other vocal pathways connect to your voice, how to access them, and how to tap into your unique sound. If you'd like to learn more about this, I invite you to take my vocal tapping micro course. It's a fun course where you get to learn how to put all of these pieces together. This course is packed with value. It's so exciting to learn things in this micro course that takes most singers years to learn. You'll learn how your voice naturally flows within your body and see measurable results. Students also report that this feels amazing and boosts their confidence. I'm so excited to offer it to you simply by clicking the link below. Click below to continue learning, and I'll see you on the other side.